Yes, top
Okay.
third place. Okay, of course, the prizes are certificate from the Embassy of Japan.
Canon Exus digital camera with 4 gigabytes SD card. Nakikita naman yun.
Right. And of
Okay.
course, ito gusto ko rin to.
Sige.
Gift certificate for 17% tuition waiver to 24-hour Nihongo conversation course from the Nihongo Center to be given by one of our lovely ladies, Miss Beatriz Mojica, principal of the Nihongo Center Foundation, to give the Nihongo Center gift certificates.
And goodie bags from Ajinomoto Philippines and Yakult Philippines.
Yes.
Okay.
Ito na.
The third placer for the J-Pop Anime Singing Contest 2011.
Who garnered 91.45%. Sino? Yeah.
Okay.
RJ Jimenez?
Jugu 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 jugu. Kailangan may drum roll. Ang hirap pagsabay.
Okay.
Jugu 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 jugu. Isa pa. Mr. Robert Morales!
Songpol.
Congratulations.
Sir, ito daw line mula sa bonus favorite, yung basta yun.
後で嵐は Oldest five!
Galing. Thank you and congratulations.
Congratulations, Mr. Robert.
Yan, kaya naman
Okay.
pogi-pogi yan, batang-bata si Mr. Robert dahil
Wait.
favorite sa mga youth.
Take a picture.
Thank you, ma.
Ma?
Yan, picture muna po tayo. Picture.
Picture po. Okay.
Teka, hindi natin na-interview si Sir Robert Pinian, diba? Ayan. Sir Robert, paano niyo po, one quick question daw, sir, dahil interested sila sa inyo. Paano po kayo naging hooked sa J-pop music?
Nabasa ko sa newspaper, then search ko sa internet. Tapos nag-log on ako sa J-pop, Japanese Embassy.